Good morning, learners! Do you still remember every year in Tundra Studio we do a community Chinese dinner? So this year we actually cooked egg drop dumpling soup. It was very popular. So today in this video I would like to show you how to make this egg drop dumpling soup. Let's get started! You will need some diced vegetables. It's up to you what kind of vegetables you would like to choose, but the goal is to practice how to dice vegetables based on my previous lessons and also have vitamins in your diet. So today I chose celery, carrots, and onions. I also saved some celery leaves. And you will need 2 eggs. You will have to scramble those eggs. About a cup of flour. You're supposed to use white flour, but I'm out of white flour, so I'm using wheat flour today. And you will need some chicken stock or chicken broth, and some salt, soy sauce, some dried parsley flakes. If you have sesame oil and white peppers, that would be even better. If you don't have them, it's not a big deal.
Turn on the stove to high and put a pot on top of the stove. Pour the entire box of chicken stock in the pot. Let it heat. As the chicken stock being heated, we can prepare our eggs. I use my chopsticks to whisk the eggs. You can use a whisk. Take the bowl of flour. Put the bowl under the dripping faucet. As the water drips in the bowl, please stir the flour. In order to get perfect sized dumplings, you need to stir fast. This is how it should look like. When the chicken stock almost boils, it's time for us to pour the egg in. Please pay attention to this motion. You pour a little egg in the pot, then use the ladle to spread the egg, and it forms beautiful egg flowers. We call the yellow formations egg flowers because don't they look like pretty flowers? Now please pour in the dumplings we prepared earlier in the pot. Make sure you stir it up afterwards. Now you can pour the chopped vegetables in the pot. Now let's work on seasoning. Pour some salt in the pot and a squirt of soy sauce. And you can also put some white pepper in there. Black pepper works too. Now please go ahead and pour in some dried parsley flakes. Now let's mix it up. If you have sesame oil at home, please add some sesame oil now. Stir it up and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. I just tasted the soup. It's not salty enough, so I'm adding a little more salt now. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now our soup is ready. If you want, you can sprinkle some toasted seeds on top to make it fancy.
That's all, learners. I hope it was not too hard for you guys. And my husband really likes it, and he actually finished the entire pot. And I hope you guys enjoy it as well. I will see you next time. Bye.